Good morning, everyone. It's like Thursday morning. My typical day to kind of clean out the van, dust everything out. So we're in the process. Typically, it seems like Thursday mornings, I end up just cleaning out the van while Jeff's out while Jeff's at one of his jobs. Anyways, I'm gonna do this, I guess, like in two parts. So we have this monstrosity on the back of the passenger seat. Maybe you've seen this before in one of my other videos I did a long time ago. And I'm kind of getting really tired of this mess, this chaos, right? It started out as a really good idea, but I think because I have 3 dogs and my work gear, as you know, I'm a pet sitter dog walker. So it is a lot, and it's just like, okay, this is what happens. We have this shoe rack on the back of the passenger seat, right? And my seats, my headrests, it's all one piece of seat. So this is basically bungeed around. So it's got holes in the top, and there's just a bungee that wraps around it to hold this up onto the seat. And because this seat is pretty close to Kaylee's crate, this seat pretty much has to always be forwards unless I'm sitting in it and Jeff's driving, because when this seat is like this, all the way back, Kaylee can actually eat all the stuff off of here. No matter how many times I tuck it in or put a jacket, or no matter what I've done, I don't feel like doing a wall because pretty soon we're not gonna have this crate. And I'm just kind of tired of this mess. Hold on one sec. Like everything's a mess in this van, but we're still trying to kind of like get organized, you know, because before it used to just be Spike and I in this van. Anyways, so, you know, I'm going to show you guys how this is organized, because maybe for some people and their needs, this would actually work out really well. For us, I got something else in mind kind of to help tidy this. So it's got all these pockets, like this thing has 4, 8, it's got like 12 pockets, right? It was longer, we cut it down to fit our seat. And then what happens is we're so busy, we kind of just end up shoving everything. This is our trash can. This is our little litter genie, so the dog poop bags go in there. I'll talk about that in another video. So pretty much what happens is every leash ends up down here, because we're always like in a hurry. And you know, I have 3 dogs, and no, we can't have just 1 leash for each dog, or even 2 leashes. No, I'm crazy, and there's always a leash out there I always find and want to try. We have rope leashes, we have retractable leashes, we have biothane leashes, we have like pretty much every leash. Bungee leashes, I even have more that aren't even here. It's ridiculous. But I like to change it up. We have different lengths, different leashes for different needs. There's some I use with work. So it used to be 1 row, because there's 3 rows of pockets. It used to be 1 row was Gavin's, 1 row was Kaylee's, 1 row was Spike's. And we used to just like take the leashes and tuck it into the pocket. Yeah, it was a great idea, but obviously we're not quite using that technique anymore. We're always kind of really busy. So we just like put the dogs in the van, throw the leashes down, and it's just like a crazy mess that I have to organize. And I finally kind of came out with a solution, I feel like. And then we also have like, you know, fanny packs. This is like that bungee cord that wraps around the top part of the seat to hold this shoe rack thing onto it. And then we have like some carabiner clips to hold all the harnesses and retractable leashes and e-collars, and it's just like not really quite working. Then it's hard to really get to some of the leashes on the other side. But I mean, it's pretty practical, because like down here holds all the poo bags, our headlamps. I mean, you could use these for so many different purposes. But I just want to show you this video, as maybe this idea kind of can help some of you guys out for different things. I know a lot of other vanners have actually used this idea too, to do a shoe rack on the back of the seat. For us, with Kaylee, who kind of eats everything, we kind of have to have another technique, because I gotta try to wean her off of being in the crate. She's kind of been less of a chore, so it's been really good. She's finally slowing down on the whole chewing, teething process. I mean, she still does, no matter how many toys she has, but she's still a puppy. She's only like a year and March to April, April to May to June. She's only like a year and 3 months, barely, you know? So she's still very much into chewing, as you can see. But yeah, so stay tuned to see how I kind of organize this chaos back here. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.